Hey, what's up, guys? So there's this pretty big scam going on with MyFundedFutures, and I don't really see anybody talking about it. And I wanted to make this quick video because I've been trading for a long time, and I actually got paid out by these guys. And I'm not like the best trader in the world, but I do have some experience trading. I'm not like a quant or anything, but I'm just some random retail guy. I like the firm, but I think this is a huge issue, and I just wanted to spread awareness because I also think it's really scummy behavior and something that needs to be called out. And I'm just surprised nobody's really making any videos. MyFundedFutures, they are a futures trading prop firm, right? And they released this MyFundedClub channel. And if you go to this channel, everybody will be like, okay, so how do I join the club? And people will be like, you need somebody's invite and you need an account to join the little campaign. And they say, yeah. And this is where the scam is. So even the mods right here are saying you must purchase an account through that referral link to gain access to the club right here. You need to be invited by one of the founding members of MyFundedClub. They'll need to share the referral link and you can join and access. You can purchase through referrals for the program, but please be careful, blah, blah, blah. So there's a ton of these messages from the mods. And the thing is, this is all deceiving as crap, because on their website right here, free to join, no purchase necessary. You don't need, because when I first joined this channel, I was asking some guys, like, how do I join the club? And I got messages from these guys giving me the link. And I was like, okay, so I'm about to join. And you have to purchase an eval account to join. But it's actually happening right as we speak. This entire channel is full of these people referral link spamming everybody, and there's thousands of messages on here. People are asking, how do I get in, how do I get in? And all the mods right here are telling them you need to buy an account is the only way to get in. But it's bullshit. You don't need to buy an account, right? Because on here you can actually, it says free to join right here, no purchase necessary, and you can claim your spot and get added to the wait list, right? And then down here at the bottom, MyFundedClub membership is free and no purchase is necessary. Okay, here's another one. In order to enroll, you need to start/purchase a challenge with the link shared to you. Use any code that you want. And this is a total slap in the face to all the previous traders that purchased accounts earlier this month. So this is just extremely scummy behavior. It's crazy how it's just bananas. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If anybody is still with me, have a great day. And even the CEO, Matt Leech, right here says we started with 1,000 founding members and every one of them has invites to give out. So if you want, and go find a founding member, ask around, hunt down an invite. It's crazy.